I can't tell if this series is actually real or maybe he was just born like this, but either way, it proves how important training traps is. Thank God this video was just a joke, bro. Holy. It's just an addiction at this point, man, because I swear, even if it's a rest day, I'm either hitting an actual workout or at least going on a run or doing something, bro. But there's no way you're gonna catch me sitting at home all day. Had a rest day today and I ran to the gym and trained neck. Do you unlock a portable 225 bar after hitting it?
We all want a teenage mutant ninja turtle, but which one could turn you into Squirtle? Move your tongue into a circle, the right spot is universal.
That very much looks like it hurts. This is genuinely the cutest thing I've seen all day, but I would low-key just open a gym just so I can put cats in it. Deserved. My heart genuinely sank when I found out how much sugar there was in protein bars. And then spend all your prison dollars trying to get protein because I know they ain't serving you anything with protein in it. On the south side, with the list, shout out my best. I got it, sending me bees. He's low-key looking like a lot better now. It's great to see.
I gave everything that I had. I poured my heart, my blood, my sweat, my tears to this game, man.
Only time I've really felt my lats was on that cable row thing, if you guys know what I'm talking about. I just recently maxed out the lateral raise machine in my gym, and I might actually have to move on over to cables, which I am not excited about. Like, bro, if I get to work out and make the best gains possible, then I am leaving that gym a happy man. We all done this, even if just as a joke. This is like a Rock Lee opening the 8th gate type of thing where you sacrifice everything for a final PR. Hope he's doing better.
Hey, bro. Beat's about to drop. What do you want, bro? You interrupted a freaking beat, bro. What do you want?
Dude.
Huh?
My bad, bro.
Dang. You just mad that I have double D's, right?
225 is like a 10x boost for confidence.
Double A batteries. You got the double A's, huh?
Bro, don't touch me like that.
Oh my God, don't touch me, don't touch me. I can do whatever I want. Can you bounce your chest?
Just a little bit.
You can't bounce
It's
your
getting...
chest, bro. You don't even have a chest.
All these random school kids doing the absolute craziest shit. I didn't really even read the caption, so I just thought he was going for a pull-up, but not this, not this. Like and subscribe for more videos.